PorteuX 1.9, a powerful portable Linux distribution, gets even better. PorteuX 1.9 is here, delivering an enhanced experience for users who need a fast, lightweight, and portable Linux distribution. Built on Slackware and drawing inspiration from both Slacks and PorteuX, PorteuX continues to offer a modular and immutable system, designed for efficiency and performance. This latest release is powered by the Linux 6.13 kernel, ensuring improved hardware compatibility and security. Arriving just a month and a half after PorteuX 1.8, which introduced XFCE 4.20, the new version further refines the user experience with several key upgrades. One of the major highlights of PorteuX 1.9 is the introduction of GUID partition table GPT support in the installer, making installation more versatile. Additionally, this update brings Docker support, CUPS integration for GTK3, and compatibility with NVIDIA's 570 graphics driver, further expanding its usability across different hardware and workflows. The desktop environments have also been updated, with the Genome Edition now featuring Genome 47.3 and the Cinnamon Edition upgraded to Cinnamon 6.4.6. Meanwhile, the KDE Plasma version now includes KDE Framework 6.10, providing a more refined and feature-rich experience. Beyond these upgrades, PorteuX 1.9 improves network device support, optimizes GCC build flags for better performance, and resolves several issues. This includes fixing X265 encoding, addressing minor bugs in XFCE 4.20, and improving boot reliability by moving key system packages. Additionally, updates have been applied to various packages from Slackware's stable and current branches to ensure users always have access to the latest software. Other notable changes include enhancements to the 0050 multilib light stripping process, the removal of the Fuse package from 002 Guy, and the removal of MP4 v2 from 002 Extra, streamlining the system for improved efficiency.